Turn your Android or Apple tablet into a powerful, cloud-enabled employee time clock by downloading the TreeRing Time Kiosk app. Designed for all-day use, the app captures GPS location, takes a photo with each punch, can be programmed to display multi-level job selection, accepts offline punches, and can stay awake all day. Employees clock in by entering their employee ID using the touch keypad and tapping in or out. Its sleek interface makes a professional, polished statement perfect for display in any office. Simple, easy-to-use interface requires almost no employee training. TreeRing Time Kiosk app give your employees the ability to complete self-service functions. Quickly clock in and clock out with an easy-to-use interface. Perform break operations for accurate time tracking without having to clock out. Easily view and change job or cost codes in an instant. Enter custom information such as tips, mileage after a clock-out transaction with tracked fields. Enter health attestation information before an employee clock-in for the day. Enter attestation information after an employee clock-out for the day. View timesheet. Enter vacation or leave requests. Capture GPS location of clocking transactions as they are performed. Ready to get started? Visit TreeRingWS.com to learn more and request a demo today.